This is the emergency core cooling system. All the panels. This is RCIC. This is LPIC. Those will cool down the core and inject water in. Shutdown cooling systems cool down the reactor. Also used for when the system is shut down so that it doesn't blow up. This is main control panel. It allows you to individually control the rods or control the rods in total. This is your main power source alongside your auxiliary control panel and your recirculation. Recirculation can also control power due to recirculating the water inside, therefore creating negative voids, reducing the amount of negative voids, which provides more power to the system. Here is your turbine control panel, which allows you to control the amount of steam going into the turbine compared to the bypass. Also where you run up the turbine and sync it to the grid. Here is your MCC, also known as main cooling circuits. This is where you are able to manage all the waters. This is where this is basically the bucket of where all the water will go after the turbine, and then you have to take it through the condenser into the deaerator and back through the turbine again, or through the core again, back through the turbine, and then it goes in a big loop. This is 3 different things. One set is for fresh water in from the turbine into the hot well, then it goes hot well into condenser, and then condenser to deaerator, and back again. Here's auxiliary to control automatic controls. Here is your condenser circuits. This allows you to control the pressure and in order to pull a vacuum which pulls water through the system, or else it wouldn't work and you wouldn't get anything. You also have SJAEs alongside polishers, which will clean out the system. These remove impure gases. These remove things inside the water. And then you also have your startup pumps and then your actual pumps. Here's your deaerator. This thing's always super annoying to set up because it's super finicky. And then your electrical panel, which connects everything. Finally, over here you have your monitors. This allows you to see the system condition. This allows you to see your points. This is a server configuration board. Here is your status for your power demand. Here is just some basic stats to know about the whole U1 in total. And here's operator room, not super useful. And then here is your printer logs, which allows you to see all the controls that you or auto control have done. And that's it. This is U1, the simpler unit of RWBR. Probably one of the most complex games in Roblox. Thank you and have a great day.